Okay, been asked for this a few times. So here it is, chili. If you're a busy parent or just a busy person in general, and you've got no time when you're coming from work and the last thing you want to be doing is cooking a nice healthy meal, this one's for you. Do everything in the morning, stick it in the slow cooker, boom. Come home from work, stick on the rice, nice, healthy, delicious, nutritious meal. So for this you want to have 500 grams of lean beef mince, 1 pepper, any colour can do, a tin of chopped tomatoes, 150 ml of beef stock. You've got your spices and herbs, so you've got onion, cumin and paprika, teaspoon of each. My favourite ingredient, Worcestershire sauce, lovely, hard to say. Bit of soy sauce, substitute for salt, and I've gone for the lazy option, frozen diced onions. Because I'm going to work, I don't want my little fingers thinking of onions. So, let's get to it. First of all, you stick this in the hot pan, break it all down, brown it off, then add the rest. Okay, into the hot pan, you've got your cup of onions. In goes the peppers. Because the onions are frozen, you don't need the normal cook time of fresh onion. And then, in with your seasoning. Now before adding anything else, I just let the seasoning toast a little in the pan. Brings out the flavours and really enhances that authentic taste. Okay, mince your onions and your peppers along with those lovely spices. All done. Pop it in the slow cooker. And then you're adding your beef stock, 150 ml beef stock, tin of chopped tomatoes, a glug of this wonderful but difficult to pronounce sauce, Worcestershire, and then a good glug of soy sauce as a substitute for the salt. Stick that on a low heat for about 6 to 8 hours, come back, and that's going to be absolutely delicious. The reason I put it in the slow cooker, as I said before, I can cook it now, go to work, come back, all done. Plus, it gives it time to infuse the flavours, and I feel like it soaks into the mince loads more, and the meat actually breaks down and becomes far more tender. If you did want to cook this in the evening, you basically just do everything apart from adding it to a slow cooker. Right, see you after work. Cheers guys.